Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see second topic of binomial theorem, that is binomial theorem for positive integral indices. In my previous video, we have seen introduction to binomial theorem. So if you haven't watched that, there is a link in the description box below, you can check that out. So we have already seen the general form of binomial theorem for positive integral indices. We have a plus b to the power n is equal to nc0 into a power n plus nc1 into a power n minus 1 into b plus nc2 into a power n minus 2 into b square plus, and the last but one term will be ncn minus 1 into a into b power n minus 1 plus, and the last term will be ncn into b power n. We have seen this. Let me give an example. Let's say we have a binomial expression x plus 2 to the power 6. So let's put this formula. Here n is 6, a is x and b is 2. So we have 6c0 into x power n plus, so 6c1 into a power, a here is x, so x power 6 minus 1, so 6 minus 1 is 5 into b here is 2 plus we have 6c2 into x power, so n minus 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, b square, b here is 2, so 2 square plus 6c3 into here x power, the a power keeps decreasing and b power increases, right? So we have x power 4, so x power 3 into 2 square, so here it should be 2 cube. This is increasing, right, up till n, the nth term is this. So plus 6c4 into x power decreasing, so 3 2 into 2 power 4 plus 6c5 into x power 1 into 2 power 5. So the last term will be 6c6 into x power 0. X power 0 is 1, so we will not have this x term, so 2 power 6. So this is our last term. So ncn into b here is 2, so 2 power n is 6. Let's continue, which is equal to, what is 6c0? We know the formula, ncr is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So n here is 6 and r is 0. So 6 factorial by 0 factorial into n minus r. So 6 minus 0 is 6 factorial, which is equal to, what is 6 factorial? Okay, this and this is gone. So here 1 by 0 factorial is 1. So 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. So 6c0 is 1 into x power, sorry I have not written n, n here is 6. So this is x power 6, correct? So 6 plus 6c1, again you will put n and r in this formula. So you will get 6c1 will be 6. So 6 into 2, 6 2s are 12. So 12x power 5 plus again 6c2. Here n is 6, r is 2. When you find this, you will get 15. So 15 into 2 square. 2 square is 4. So 15 into 4 will give you 60. So that is 60x power 4. You will do by yourself, okay, this part. So what is 6c3? So 6c3 is 20. 20 into 2 cube. 20 into 8. So 20 into 8 is 160. So x power 3 plus 6c4. What is 6c4? So when you put this formula, you will get 6c4 as 15. So 15 into 2 power 4. What is 2 power 4? 2 power 4 is 16. So 15 into 16 will give you 240 into x square plus 6c5. What is 6c5? When you put formula, you will get 6. So 6 into 2 power 5 is 32. So 6 into 32 is 192. So we have 192x plus, what is 6
is 6. We know 66 is 1. So 1 into 6, 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is 64. So we here 1 into 64 is 64. So this is the expansion of x plus 2 to the power 6. I hope this is clear. Let me erase this. Now let's see what is a minus b power n. Can I write this a minus b power n as a plus minus b to the power n? Right? So now this is your a and your b is minus b. Correct? I can apply same formula here. So we have NC0 into a is a itself. So we have a to the power n is n plus NC1. So NC1 into a power n minus 1. But b, what is b? B here is minus b. So I will put minus b. Plus I have NC2 into a power n minus 2 into b is minus b. So minus b square. Right? Plus I'll write the next term. So the next term will be NC3 into a power n minus 3
minus b to the power 3 plus and so on, plus last term will be NCn into, here b is minus b, so minus b to the power n.
So let me simplify this. We have NC0 into a power n, here minus b to the power 1. So you will get minus only, right? When you multiply, if b is any number, so minus, let's say for example I have b is 2. So minus 2 to the power 1. So you will get minus only, right? So that minus I will keep outside. So that means minus into plus is minus. Now I can take this b. So can I write this term as NC1 into a power n minus 1 into b. Correct? Now if you see in this term, minus b square. So we have negative number into negative number. You will get positive. So the sign remains same, right? So can I write this term as plus NC2 into a power n minus 2 into b square, right? Only sign have, when I square the sign, so minus of minus is plus, right? So the next term I can write this as plus NC3 into a power n minus 3. Here minus b cube. Here odd power, right? So you will get minus. So that minus I will put here. So can I write that minus here? And here I can write as b cube. Plus and so on. To the last term. Here last term, what is n? We don't know what is the last term, right? So we will keep as it is. We don't know whether the power is positive or negative. So I can write like this. Minus b to the power n. So whenever you have a binomial expression where a minus b to the power n, I can put this formula, right? So let me put this. Okay. So I can say whenever you have even power to b, then your sign will be plus. Whenever you have odd power to b, then your sign will be minus. So therefore we have alternate plus minus and so on. But the last term depends on the value of n, right? We don't know what is n here. So let me give an example. But before that, pause the video and note this down. So I have a minus b to the power n is equal to NC0 into a power n minus NC1 into a power n minus 1 into b plus NC2 into a power n minus 2 into b square minus NC3 into a power n minus 3 into b cube plus and so on plus NCn into minus b to the power n. Right? Let me give an example. Let's say we have binomial expression x minus 2y to the power 5. So how do you expand this? So here A is x and B is 2y. Let's put this formula, right? So here n is 5. So 5c0 into A is x. So x power n is 5 minus, we know each term x value, x power decreases and b value will be, b is introduced in the second term. So we have 5c1 into a power, so here x, so x power 4, that is 5 minus 1 is 4, into b here is 2y, plus 5c2 into x power 3, here 4, 3 into b is 2y, 2y square, plus is over, so minus 5c3 into x power 2 into 2y to the power 3. Y power is increasing, right? Minus is over, next is plus. So we have 5c4 into x power 1 into 2y to the power 4 plus 5c5, this is the nth term, we reach to n, right, into x power 0, so x power 0 is 1, so we will not write that term, so we have 2y to the power 5, this is an nth term. So let's simplify this. What is 5c0? We know 5c0 is 1, so 1 into x power 5 will be x power 5 minus, what is 5c1? So if you want to, you can put formula. So we have Ncr is equal to n factorial by n minus r into n minus r factorial. So r factorial into n minus r factorial. So n is 5, so 5 factorial divided by r is 1, so 1 factorial into 5 minus 1 is 4, so 4 factorial. Here 5 factorial you can write as 5 into 4 factorial, right? So we are left with 5. So 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. So 10 x power 4 and y plus, so here you will calculate what is 5c2. So that value you will multiply with 2 square, that is 4. So when you do so, you will get 40x cube into y square, right? The square is for 2 and y as well. So minus, here also same way, 5c3 you will calculate into 2 cube, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, into 8 you will do, so you will get 80, so 80x square into y cube plus, same way you will see what is 5c4, so 5c4 into 2 power 4, so that will give you 80, so 80 into x into y power 4 minus 5c5, we know 5c5 is 1, 1 into 2 power 5, so that is 32, so you have 32, 1 into 32 is 32 into y power 5, because y power 5. So this is the expansion of x minus 2y to the power 5. I hope this is clear. So now let's see how to write binomial theorem for the expression 1 plus x power n. In the similar way, so here a is 1 and b here is x. So we have nc0 into 1 power n, right? A power n. So n here is, a here is 1, so 1 power n. Plus the next term is nc1 into a is 1, so 1 power n minus 1 into b is introduced in the second term, so b here is x, so x, correct? So if you want, I can put a bracket here, plus next term is nc2 into a here is 1 to the power n minus 2 into b here is x, so x power is increasing, so x is 1 here, so x is 2, plus and so on, and the nth term will be NCN into a we don't have because last term will not have a, right? But x power will be n. So let's simplify this further. We have NC0 into 1 power n. 1 power anything is 1 itself, right? So we have NC0, so the plus NC1 into 1 power anything is 1, so 1 into x is x, plus we have NC2, 1 power anything is 1 into x square, plus, and so on, here NCN into x power n. So therefore I can say 1 plus x to the power n is so in this case, if you have x is equal to 1, then your expression will be NC0 plus NC1 into 1. So that will be NC1 plus NC2 into 1 power 2. 1 power 2 is 1. So we have NC2. And similarly here, it will end up with NCN when x is equal to 1. Okay? You just have to substitute. So now let's see what is 1 minus x power n. So here a is 1 and b is x. So we know when it is minus, we have alternate plus and minus, correct? So we have NC0 into 1 to the power n plus next minus, we have NC1 into 1 power n minus 1 into b here is x, so x power 1 plus, because minus is over, plus next term is plus NC2 into 1 power n minus 2 into x to b power, here it is 1, so b power is increasing, so this is 2. So minus plus, next term will be minus, so we have NC3 into 1 power n minus 3 into x to the power 3 plus, and so on, plus nth term will be NCN into x to the power, here x is minus b, so minus b to the power n, or you can also write this as NC0 into n, 1 power n is 1 minus NC1, 1 power n minus 1 is 1 into x plus NC2, this is 1 into x square minus NC3 into, this is 1, so into x cube plus, and so on. So the last term I can write as here minus x to the power n. So I can keep minus 1 to the power n outside, right? NCN into x power n. So therefore 1 minus x to the power n is equal to NC0 minus NC1 into x plus NC2 into x square minus NC3 into x cube, and so on, plus minus 1 to the power n into NCN into x power n. So in general I can say whenever you have a binomial expression where b is plus, then you have a formula NC0 into a power n, and then the power of a will keep decreasing and the b term will introduced in the second term, and then onwards the b power increases till the value of n, right? So you have to use this logic and write the formula. You don't have to by heart. Similarly, when you have b is equal to minus, then the formula will have positive and negative, alternate plus and minus terms. That is because the b term with the even power will have a positive and b with the odd power will have negative. Just use that logic and you can write this. I hope this is clear. We will see some examples under this in my next video. So see you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.